In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine audio and video in CapCut quickly and cleanly, even if you're working with separate camera footage and a voice recording. This is a really useful workflow if you want better sound quality, cleaner edits, or if you recorded your audio on a different device and need to bring everything together in one project. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to import your files, sync them properly, mute unwanted scratch audio, and combine everything into one permanent clip. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials and easy editing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. The first step is to import your media into CapCut. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and I to open the import window. From there, select the video file and the audio file you want to use. Once they appear in your media library, drag both items down onto the timeline. This is where you'll be doing all of your editing, so make sure both files are placed in the correct order and are easy to see. If your audio was recorded separately from your video, the next step is to sync them together. This is optional, but it's extremely helpful if you have a clean microphone recording and a camera clip with scratch audio. To do this, select both the video and the audio files at the same time. Then right-click and choose Sync Video to Sound. CapCut will use AI to analyze the waveforms and line them up automatically. This saves a lot of time compared to trying to match everything by hand, and it makes your edit much more accurate. After that, you'll want to mute the scratch audio if your camera clip has its own low-quality sound. To do this, click on your video track so it's selected. Then go to the Audio tab in the top right panel. Here, you'll see a volume slider. Pull that slider all the way down to 0 to remove the camera audio completely. This way, only your clean external audio will play back, which gives your final video a much more professional sound. Now that your audio and video are synced and cleaned up, the final step is to combine them permanently. Drag your mouse across both the video track and the audio track to highlight them together. Once both are selected, right-click the selection and choose Create Compound Clip. This will merge them into one combined clip, which makes your timeline easier to manage and helps keep everything together as one unit. And that's it, you've now learned how to combine audio and video in CapCut the right way. You imported your media, synced it with AI, muted the scratch audio, and created a compound clip to keep everything organized. This is a simple but powerful editing process that can seriously improve your workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future CapCut guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.